Okay, this is nasty. It is 14th of June 2012. The storm just came up real fast, coming from the north. That sign just got put up, and there it goes. There goes the sign. Andrew, did you see the sign fall? This is brutal. I mean, this is like a tropical storm. Kids are pretty scared. I'm a little nervous myself. This is out of this world. I'm standing under the porch. I'm getting soaked from the spray. Here comes some lightning. At least it'll clean the dirt off the house. I should have left my truck outside. We had some hail earlier. Okay, inside now, there's the poor cat. Let's take a look.
She is so scared.
There's a scared dog. And there's the old one who has been through a few of these, so she's not too worried. Like I say, we did have hail. The nice thing about these storms is they blow themselves out very quickly.
Sometimes.
Well, yeah, they have to. They don't have the... It's really impressive. I was just on the phone with my dad and I was watching this come in, and we had to run around the house to clear things up, but you can actually see it's already getting lighter out to the north. Yep, wind's dying down. We saw a roll of wires. I got a still photo of a roll of wires blowing down the road. We'll open up the blinds here. The kitty is curious. See, we did have some hail. Oh, whoa! Hey guys, the deck box moved.
Oh!
That should be not there.
Yeah. Holy mackerel.
I'm going to step out front again.
No, Dad, don't.
It's okay. What you doing, Audrey?
Fixing them all.
What are you doing?
I'm sitting them all.
Don't, you'll scare her. Yeah, it's calmed down now. Now it's just rain. And a bit of thunder. So I'm gonna move my truck outside now because it's all muddy from the weekend. So this will be a free car wash. Okay, 3.5 minutes and that'll do it. I'll end this one now. Hope you enjoy.